Hello, this is Good Health, Good Life, a channel where I am promoting healthy living by sharing with you the health benefits of the herbs and also sharing with you healthy living tips. The best investment that you can make is to invest in your health. So try as much as possible to prioritize healthy living. This afternoon, I present to you a very powerful and wonderful herb which we call sorghum leaves. Sorghum leaves. This leaf is popularly called in Ghana as Waakye leaves because it is mostly used in the preparation of waakye. Waakye is a Ghanaian delicacy which is prepared using rice and beans. So in the preparation of this delicacy, the sorghum leaves or the waakye leaves is used, and it makes the color of the waakye, which is the rice and beans, to be red. The sorghum leaf or the waakye leaf is loaded with lots of health benefits. So very quickly, let me share with you some of the health benefits of these wonderful leaves. Are you suffering from anemia? Do you always feel weak and dizzy? Are you having issues with shortage of blood? Have you lost appetite for food? If the answer to all these questions is yes, then I entreat you to get these wonderful leaves, which is the sorghum leaf or the waakye leaves. Now, this is what you are going to do. Wash this leaf thoroughly. Wash it well to get rid of dirt and other harmful materials. Then boil the leaf with a reasonable quantity or volume of water. Now, the quantity of water you are going to add to the leaves depend on the quantity of leaves that you are using or the volume of the remedy that you are preparing. So take note of it. What you are going to do is boil it for at least 20 minutes on a very low heat. Then after that, you strain it and start drinking it first thing in the morning. Before you take your breakfast, drink 1 cup of these remedy, and also in the evening you do same. Continue with these practice for at least 1 week. If after 1 week these conditions which I have mentioned persist, then kindly visit the hospital. It works perfectly for the medical conditions that I have mentioned. So try your hands on it. You can use it to prepare beans and also use it to prepare rice and beans. It tastes so good when you use it. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. Until I see you in the next one, eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Engage in physical exercise on daily basis, and don't forget to visit the hospital on a regular basis to know your health status. Peace.